Hi everyone! So today I'm unboxing the Ninebot E3, which is the predecessor of the Segway E2, the most popular model in the series. It was sold way more than any other scooter out there. The previous model was around $299, this one is a $399 Pro version with a bigger battery. So let me quickly show you the outside of the box before looking inside. We have some specifications such as the motor power, which is 800 watts peak, and it can take slopes up to 18%. Now, pretty unusual for this price of scooter. It has a double suspension with elastomer, simple, but still it's suspension. I'm curious to see how that works. It has a 55-kilometer range and a slightly different folding design to what we're used to. Usually they fold around here, but now it's right here. So I'm curious to see how that holds up. I picked this scooter up for 400 euros. Regular price is 450, but it's a solde, as we call it in Belgium. So temporary reductions. So let's see what's inside. Opening the flap of the box, we see how to unpack the scooter. It has a styrofoam. Here is an image of the folding mechanism and the kickstand. And here's how to connect the wires and put the screws. And the QR code to register your product. So let's continue unboxing. Some nice Velcro right here. To keep the styrofoam in place. It holds the manual, hex key, the screws, and the charger. I'm just gonna pull this out like the instructions say. Here we go. So let's get this set up. I really like the design of this scooter. It has a matte finish black, quality steel, and yeah, let's unfold. Cables that need connecting right here. Purple to purple. Should be hard. There we go. That's that in. Okay. Let me give you a close-up of the scooter. So like I said, we have these screws to put in the scooter. They go 2 in the front and 2 in the back. So guys, it took me about 20 minutes to find out how this scooter unlatches. Mistake I made was wearing no shoes, and if you have to push down on the handle, it's pretty painful for your feet. So first of all, we take out this valve, we push this one up, it opens up this valve, and when you press down on it with your foot, it will fold the scooter like this. This little clip, it will automatically click in here, and it stays in this. Now I reckon that this will sooner or later damage the mudguard, but hey, okay. Now to unfold, we click it open, take up this wheel, and we can close this right here. That's it.